Just one phone and one idea can change your life forever. Take it from me. I have over 70,000 subscribers, and at a brief glance, this is completely different content than what I've ever posted, and that is okay. In today's video, if you're one of the people that are either on the fence about starting a channel, or if you're on video 15 and you're just thinking about giving up, hopefully I can give you the confidence to just keep going. And at the end of the day, if it's something that you actually want to pursue, that's the best advice that anyone could possibly give you. In regards to consistency, if you're not consistent and you're not posting enough, you'll never have the chance to grow. Take two people, YouTuber A, YouTuber B. YouTuber A has only posted 10 videos, and like I said, they're on the fence about quitting. And let's just say they do quit. Obviously, they're never going to be able to explode because you're just not posting enough. YouTuber B over here is at video 31. Same boat. Maybe they're just about to give up. They wake up one morning and video 31 finally picks up. What you'll notice after that video is once one video hits the algorithm to the point where people actually watch it, the rest of the videos follow suit. So don't get too discouraged. No one, for the most part, is an overnight success. And even to further back that point, take a look at your favorite YouTuber. Doesn't matter what they post, doesn't matter who they are. Sort by oldest on their videos, and just watch the first 10 videos they ever posted. In most cases, obviously, there's going to be exceptions to the rule, but their content is not going to be as good as what they post now. It's probably going to have low views, and most importantly, it's probably sloppy. At the end of the day, it just takes a phone, a voice, and an idea, and good things can happen. And this is my attempt at doing that as well. Again, take it from me. Right now, I have a phone taped to a wall, and I'm talking to a camera. This might work, it might not work. Nothing is guaranteed, but what I do know is if you don't take the chance, you'll never know. And for certain, if you don't take the chance, you'll never succeed. Here's the mistake that every creator makes. You're on month 4 of your journey, and you're comparing yourself to someone on year 4 of their journey with an established fan base and viewership. It's going to be the biggest pitfall that you'll ever experience. It's one of those things. It's very easy to search on YouTube and see all the success stories, and that's all you're going to see. You'll never see the person that tried to post 3 videos and never succeeded because the algorithm, 1, isn't going to push that, and 2, they've already quit. So it's very easy to compare yourself to others, but ultimately, as long as you have your head down, posting good content that not only you believe in, but other people will, that's the most important thing that you can ultimately do. In 2026, it is most imperative that you're posting original content using your face, your voice, your real background, because in all honesty, AI slop is taking over. It just takes 2 seconds to go on YouTube Shorts or even searching up your favorite topic to see not only an AI voice posting content, but also AI content in general. One of the things that I think will be most important in 2026 and moving forward is just original content showing your face. I think people really enjoy the connection that you can build whenever you're speaking to them directly. And don't get too discouraged. Ultimately, you, me, or the algorithm will not know what video will blow up until you give it a shot and actually post the video. From there, just continue to learn. See where your viewership comes from. Most importantly, try to track and understand your videos. It's very easy just to take a look at your video and say, hey, it got 100 views and people didn't watch. Very easy to take those metrics and just throw them out the window. It's useful information. Not only is YouTube taking a look at your channel, it's building metrics to show your videos to people who actually search and watch content similar to yours. Simply put, the algorithm hasn't built a network yet to funnel your videos to the right people. So as long as you stay consistent, continue to post videos at a frequent pace that is good and people will watch, that's the most important thing you can do. Here's what I want you to understand. The creator, your favorite creator, the person that you watch the most of, isn't more talented than you. And in most cases, they aren't luckier than you. They've just stayed consistent, and they haven't let down months, down days, bad days affect them in any way, shape, or form. It's okay to take a break, and it's okay not to post every day of your life. But again, if you're not posting frequently enough and to the point where people can actually view your content, you'll never succeed. And ultimately, it will only really matter if you're around whenever that video does decide to pop off. So if you just started making content, keep going. If you're thinking about quitting, post another video, and then another one, and then another one, and see where it goes. The channel that changes your life is built one video after another. So keep building. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like as well as a comment. Let me know if you're on day 1 of the journey or day 3,000. Ultimately, as long as you're here, that's all that matters. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.